What's the difference between a tornado watch, tornado warning, and tornado emergency? Let's break it down. A tornado watch means be prepared. Tornadoes are possible in your area. Check your emergency plan and supplies. Be ready to act fast if the weather worsens. A tornado warning is much more serious. It means a tornado has been sighted or detected on radar. Take cover immediately in the safest spot of your home, an interior room or basement. The most urgent alert is a tornado emergency. A violent tornado is already on the ground. You need to seek shelter right now to protect your life. Stay safe and monitor your local weather updates for the latest information. Early action can save lives. Know the difference? It could save your life. Like, share, and subscribe.